Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Ford Fusion versus Mazda 6. We will first examine their performance, starting with engine options and horsepower. The Fusion provides a range of engines, including a powerful V6 and an efficient hybrid, while the Mazda 6 focuses on a refined four-cylinder. We will also evaluate their fuel efficiency and discuss how each car handles on the road, noting the Mazda's reputation for a more dynamic driving experience. Moving inside, let's explore the interior comfort and technology of both vehicles. The Ford Fusion boasts a roomy cabin, offering ample space for passengers and cargo. The Mazda 6, on the other hand, often presents a more upscale interior with higher quality materials and a driver-focused cockpit. We will also compare their infotainment systems, ease of use, and the array of advanced safety features available in each model. Now, let's consider long-term ownership, focusing on reliability and resale value. The Mazda 6 frequently earns strong reliability scores, suggesting fewer unexpected repairs. While both cars have reasonable maintenance costs, the Mazda 6 often holds its value better over time, which is an important factor for many buyers. We will delve into what these aspects mean for your overall investment. So, which sedan is the best fit for you? If you prioritize diverse engine options, including a hybrid and a slightly larger trunk, the Ford Fusion might be your choice. However, if a sporty driving experience, premium interior, and strong resale value are key, the Mazda 6 could be ideal. Ultimately, your decision depends on your personal preferences and driving needs. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.